A very happy morning to students. Today we are going to discuss one question which is related with our fifth chapter, that is emerging mode of business. Till now we have seen that when the question comes to businessmen, how intelligently they are going to be in the various situations, different situations they are going to encounter, and how efficiently they were using the internet. We have also seen some questions where the common people like us, we are also using the internet and enjoying the benefit of e-commerce, e-business, you can say. Now this time we are discussing with a common situation which is faced by the working women or working men also, you can say. Because nowadays we don't want to carry cash, because once the cash is misplaced we can't get it back. But if we have the debit card, if it is misplaced, then also we can block the debit card. If the credit card is misplaced, we can block the credit card. So somehow the tension of money is being removed once the concept of smart cards is being introduced, debit card, credit card, then health card, then for traveling also the metro is offering the metro card, and also a lot of things are there which is nowadays given to us. The electronic you can see this is the electronic age. We are getting so many things over here. So today's question is related with that only. Let us see the question and then we will come to our discussion. See here, the question is, Mrs. Suhana has to travel a lot and usually come late night from her workplace. Now what happens when Mrs. Suhana is going to her office, when she is coming back, it is already late night, and late night she is a working woman. So obviously she has to manage her home as well as she has to manage the office also. Now when she is coming back, it's already late night. Now she is always worried to carry huge cash, huge amount in her purse as she purchases all her household things on the way. Now obviously this is one of the problem now when we are returning from our workplace and it is already late night. We are really scared because obviously some antisocial elements are there on the way. So there is a chance of misplacement of money or anything can be possible. So she is somehow worried to carry cash, and no doubt it is a common problem. Now see, she wants a solution. Obviously money is required because when she is coming back from her office, she has to buy a lot of things which is required for herself. Now the question we see here, it is, suggest how she can avoid carrying cash, still buy the things on the way. Yes, she don't want to carry cash but she wants to purchase the things. So one very common answer which comes in our mind, that is ATM, automated teller machine. If she is having the ATM card, she can go to the shop wherever the card is being accepted and she can swipe the card and she can purchase whatever she is wanting, and the money will be directly deducted from her account. So one option, obviously ATM is there, but instead of ATM, I will suggest you to write another name. What you should write? Smart card. Yes, this is new thing. Actually, ATM is also a smart card because obviously monetary transaction is done with the help of ATM, and you can see, if you can see the ATM at your home, a small chip is there which is just containing all the important data of us in that chip. Every important information is being mentioned over there. So instead of ATM, I will suggest you to write smart card, because smart card is containing not only ATM but there are other things also which is having that small magnet, that electronic chip. All those things will be also considered in this smart card only. Now let's come to the other question first. Suggest other utilities of smart card. Now they are asking the other utilities of smart card. Let me start with your mobile phone. I think nowadays hardly there will be any house where there will be no mobile phone. I am not talking about especially a smartphone, I am saying about a simple mobile phone. So whenever we are having a mobile phone, we need the SIM card is required. So if you see at the back of the SIM card, one chip is there of golden color. So your SIM card is also a smart card which is containing the important informations which you require when you need to start your phone. So that's SIM is a smart card which is required to operate a phone. Similarly, if we talk about debit card, that is also a smart card. Credit card, that is also a smart card. Because with the help of debit card or ATM, you can say we can do all the monetary transaction. One thing. Credit card, obviously we can purchase now, we can make the payment later on, that is one thing. If we need to travel, nowadays metros are being opened, so for metro also monthly card is being made, and that is also kind of smart card. Once you recharge the card, later on you can use for a month, 1 month, 3 months, depends on the thing what you are purchasing. Similarly, when we go for Mediclaim, if we go for Mediclaim and we want to take any Mediclaim, that time the insurance company will provide us a medical card. When we are going to hospital, we have to present that card, and through that card only the money will be paid. So actually this nowadays variety of smart card you can see, not only ATM, not only debit card, credit card, a SIM card, that health card is there. Except that if you will see, if you go to purchase nowadays, obviously the smart card concept is now reducing in case of the retail shop, but few days ago, if you remember, if you go to the Reliance or Big Bazaar, they will offer you their own cards. Big Bazaar card or Panic cards are there, and whatever we are purchasing, some points we are earning on every purchase, that point was entered in that card, and later on with that accumulated point we can do the further transaction. So those cards which we are using in these retail shops, that will also be considered as smart card. So no doubt it is useful nowadays. Obviously these retail outlets are asking our phone numbers, and on our they are preparing a separate account according to our phone number, and the point is accumulated on that number only. But still smart card has been used there also. So you can see there are many places where smart card is being used, from the bank to the hospitals to the phone, as well as to the retail shops also it has been used. So this was the question and the related answer. Hope so the question is clear and the concept of smart card also. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.